If you love woodworking, you know the right tool can turn a tricky job into pure satisfaction. Today, we're looking at 12 new woodworking tools that are smart, precise, and built to make your projects faster, cleaner, and more enjoyable. Let's dive in. Number 1. Routing small parts can be difficult and unsafe. The Iron Grip Small Parts Holder helps by clamping your workpiece securely. This makes it feel larger and easier to control on the router table. It improves safety and accuracy while keeping your hands away from the cutter. For repeated cuts, you can use the stop pins. They let you set the same length for every piece, so you get consistent results every time. If you're using a bearing-guided router bit, the clamp holds your workpiece in line with the aluminum blocks. This keeps your hands clear and your cuts smooth. For straight bits, the fence guide helps you route narrow pieces. Just align it with your fence and it will carry the wood safely through the cut. With a reach of 1.5 inches, it works well even in tight spaces. Number 2. The Saker Plus Thin Rip Jig is designed to make precise, repeatable thin cuts on your table saw, router table, or bandsaw. It is built from high-grade anodized aluminum, crafted with CNC precision for strength and durability. The smooth, anti-corrosion surface helps prevent wood chatter, holds your workpiece firmly, and improves cutting safety. It fits standard T-slot tables in 2 common sizes, making it compatible with most woodworking setups. The telescoping arm adjusts from 2 inches to 8.5 inches, with both inch and millimeter scales for accurate measurements. A reinforced T-bar locks securely in place, so there is no slipping during use. With accuracy down to 1/32 of an inch, it reduces waste and delivers professional results. The quick adjustment system requires no tools, saving time when switching between different cut sizes. Number 3. The Bosch GKF 18V25 PL14 Palm Router combines power, precision, and portability in one compact tool. Its brushless motor delivers up to 1.39 peak horsepower with speeds from 10,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute. The ergonomic design offers both high and low grip positions, making it comfortable to use in horizontal or vertical work. Changing bits is quick and simple with the flip and release spindle lock lever. It is fully compatible with all PR20 accessories, so you can move from corded to cordless without replacing your setup. Depth adjustments are easy and accurate, with both rough and fine settings down to 1/64 of an inch and a maximum cut depth of 1 11/32 inches. For added safety, drop detection automatically shuts off the router if it falls, helping protect both you and your workpiece. Number 4. The Ryobi 1 Plus HP 18-volt brushless circular saw is built for speed, accuracy, and convenience. Its brushless motor delivers up to 40% faster cutting, with over 325 cuts per charge, so you can work longer without stopping. The die-cast upper guard adds strength and durability, even in tough job site conditions. A vacuum dust adapter helps keep your work area clean, making end-of-day cleanup quick and easy. For precision, the adjustable depth gauge lets you set exact cutting depths, while the bevel gauge ensures accurate angled cuts. This combination gives you smooth, clean results every time. As part of the Ryobi 1 Plus system, it works with the same battery as over 300 other cordless tools, making it a versatile and valuable addition to your workshop. Number 5. The Lead Always 7-in-1 Folding Workbench is a versatile solution for workshops, garages, and job sites. It now includes a built-in power outlet and a 33-foot power cord, making it ideal for tools like miter saws that need to be plugged in. This workbench transforms into 7 different modes: workbench, sawhorse, scaffold, platform, car creeper, dolly, and hand truck. In scaffold or platform mode, it supports up to 550 pounds. In other modes, it holds up to 330 pounds. The height adjusts from just over 20 inches to more than 30 inches, with legs that can extend, shorten, or fold to suit your task. Its stable triangle design, aluminum legs, and steel frame provide strength and durability. When the job is done, it folds for easy storage and transport, ready for use anywhere you need it. Number 6. The Makita 40V Max XGT 6-inch random orbit sander delivers up to 40% more power than a comparable pneumatic sander, without the hassle of cords or hoses. Its variable speed control dial lets you choose between 6,000 and 10,000 oscillations per minute, giving you smooth, swirl-free finishes. The 3/16-inch orbit diameter is ideal for fine sanding work. With an ultra-low profile and up to 41% less vibration, it reduces fatigue during long sessions. Using a 40V XGT4 amp-hour battery, it can run for up to 48 minutes continuously, covering as much as 260 linear feet per charge. Features include 5-speed settings, a lock-on slide trigger, soft start, and constant speed control for demanding applications. The through-the-pad dust collection system connects easily to Makita vacuums, and the AutoStart wireless system uses Bluetooth to sync with compatible dust extractors for a cleaner, safer workspace. Number 7. The G-Sharp Edge Chisel Sharpener is a compact, durable system for keeping chisels and plane blades razor sharp. It can handle blades from 3mm to 85mm wide, with an adjustable angle range from 22 to 90 degrees. This flexibility makes it suitable for a wide variety of woodworking tasks. The kit includes 4 diamond sharpening hones, 200, 400, 800, and 1500 grit, allowing you to progress from shaping to a fine, polished edge. Diamond microfoils are also included to give your tools a mirror finish for the ultimate cutting performance. Lightweight yet robust, it can withstand the knocks of a busy workshop or being carried in a tool bag. It is simple to use, requiring no special training, so anyone can achieve consistent, professional sharpening results quickly and safely. Number 8. The WENPL 1326 Spiral Benchtop Thickness Planer is built for smooth, accurate results on a variety of woodworking projects. Its spiral cutter head uses 26 staggered, rotatable, high-speed steel blades to produce a clean, even finish with minimal tear-out. An onboard material removal gauge shows the cutting depth of each pass, helping you achieve precise thickness control. It can handle boards up to 6 inches thick and 13 inches wide, making it versatile for both small and large pieces. Powered by a 15-amp motor, the planer delivers 10,000 revolutions per minute, with a feed rate of 26 feet per minute. This combination of speed and power ensures efficient material removal while maintaining a fine surface quality. Whether you're preparing rough lumber or refining stock for cabinetry, this planer offers the performance and accuracy needed for professional results. Number 9. The Temple Tool Co. Japanese flush cut saw is designed for precise trimming when you need a dowel, tenon, wedge, or trim piece cut perfectly flush to a surface. It features a solid beechwood handle with brass accents, combining durability, comfort, and classic style. This double-edged pull saw cuts on the pull stroke, allowing for a thin, narrow-curved blade that glides through wood with minimal effort. The lightweight design and razor-sharp teeth make it easy to achieve smooth, accurate cuts, whether you're working with hardwood or softwood. Crafted from high-grade Japanese steel, the blade holds its sharpness for a long time, delivering clean, professional results cut after cut. It's a reliable tool for fine woodworking, furniture making, and any project where precision and a flawless finish matter. Number 10. The Swanson Speed Square Pro 7-inch is a versatile layout tool designed to make marking and measuring faster and more accurate. It allows quick double-stud wall width layouts, saving time on framing and construction tasks. Built into the square walls are guides for 3/8, 1/2, 3/4, and 1 1/2 inches, making repetitive marking simple and consistent. A quick 22.5-degree pitch guide is included, perfect for laying out octagons or 5-pitch rafters. Made from durable materials with clear, easy-to-read markings, this square is built for both precision and long-term use. Whether you're framing, cutting rafters, or marking angles, it delivers reliable accuracy in a compact, easy-to-handle design. Number 11. The Hardell Digital Angle Finder is built for precision, versatility, and ease of use. Made from stainless steel, It measures angles from 0 to 338 degrees with plus or minus 0.3 degree accuracy and a resolution of 0.1 degree. Its 8-inch protractor ruler is ideal for woodworking, metal fabrication, installations, and detailed DIY projects. The smart lock knob secures your measurement instantly, preventing drift during critical work. Flip read technology lets you view angles from awkward positions, perfect for tight spaces in cabinetry or automotive repairs. A sliding T-bar allows you to transfer exact angles for crown molding, welding joints, or framing, with preset 45 and 90-degree stops for quick setups. Built-in horizontal and vertical bubble vials ensure perfect alignment, while the large LED display makes readings clear. With long-lasting batteries and instant zero calibration, it's ready for accurate work anytime. Number 12. The T-shaped Carpenter Layout Scriber is a versatile tool for marking, measuring, and slotting in woodworking projects. It can be used to draw precise layout lines for cutting or slotting, and it also works like a caliper to measure drill bit diameters. A fine-tuning design with brass screws lets you set exact measurements quickly, improving accuracy and efficiency. The T-shaped head measures from 0 to 90 millimeters, while the main scale measures up to 210 millimeters, or 8.27 inches. Made from sturdy aluminum alloy with a green anodized finish, it resists wear and stays durable over time. Laser-engraved metric and imperial scales are clear and easy to read. The sliding mechanism moves smoothly along the guide rail, and the ergonomic, adjustable design makes it comfortable to use, portable, and ready for any woodworking task.